welcome to a new video. It's starting to get Christmas time, and I like to show you my newest packs for the document your December, and it's yes, very Christmassy and also very artsy and colorful. I like to go with you through the packs I have created, and we are already in the artsy bits and pieces. And as you can see, you have here really colorful things, but also here some Christmas word arts, and here some scribble and flowers and hearts, and here's a gingerbread man, and here's a little something decorated. And when you let's get into a closer look, you can see on top of it such an old vintage image, and combined with a lot of glitter and Christmas elements. This is, let me say, it's an abstract bauble, and then we have some more, a little bit of gold here also, that's really nice. And here are pinkish one with a little bit of a watercolor in the background. And then we have this one. I like that how is it called? We say in Germany it's a Nikolaus. I just can't remember the English word. Can you believe that? Well, just write in the comments and let me know what's the name of this Nikolaus, Christmas guy, whatever his name is. Oh gosh. Let's go further. We have here a little bit of a watercolor splash, and also here we have some cones. Is it right? Pine cones. I have a lot to do at work at the moment, and I think my brain is a little bit overloaded with a lot of infos and work. So I'm sorry for missing some words. But we have here this kind of family having fun in the snow on a slide. Oh gosh! And here is another Nikolaus. So I think after that video, you will know that this is a Nikolaus. And we have another one getting into the chimney here. So also nice one, and the texture is also nice. It's a little bit of felt, and give you the surprise. Felt is the word. Believe me, there will come up something awesome when you follow the video further. Okay, another Nikolaus we have here, and this little sweet guy carrying a huge package. And then we have here are some glitter stars, and you can see here's a little bit a little frame art felty frame. But this is not the felt I like to show you. It will come up. And then we have here a tag. Is it a tag? Sorry. This is a golden frame, very glittery. I love it. I really love it. And here's another green felt frame. And a word art, joy. So this is the pack with the artsy bits and pieces of the document your December, or how I called it. Is there a preview in the folder? Let me check that out. No, there are no previews. So this is the preview of the season, and the delight of December is the collection called, okay, Delights of December. Next one, the felt bits. Girls, you will love it. I loved it to create them. Really, really loved it. I had a collection in 2015, the December collection, which will come up also to the lily pad. And there are also felt bits, but those are now really extra great. Look at this cute deer and look at how realistic it looks. It's really cute, and you will get so much fun elements here. Look at those elf shoes. And here's the gingerbread man again. And a felty heart we have, and ho ho ho. This is also something cute. And we have a leaf, and of course some real great snowflakes, which you can overlay and overlap, and they have a little bit different shadows. Some a little bit far away, some more nearer, so you can combine them with each other and they will look awesome. And also I made a little bit different color, some more bluish ones and some more the whitish one, also great to combine. And we have a snowman, a star, and two different trees. And this is the preview. Look at it, how it looks all great combined together. And I think you will really have fun using those kind of products. These were the felt bits, and then we have some artsy loops. Also here, you get you get the a scribbled version. Well, only the scribbled version, and then you get a decorated version of the loopilaloosas, or the artsy loops. And this is how they look like. Here we have some nice shadows and a little bit of decoration. A word art is here with a snowflake, and here with gold stars and a little bit of hearts, and here's something hanging down there. It's I don't know the name. I need to look into the artsy bits and pieces. No, in the felt bits. And we have candy cane. That's the right name. I'm totally lost today with words. So here's a golden candy cane hanging down, dangling it down from the loops. And here we have, this is also cute. Just have a look at this little elk. Is it a deer? We call it elch in German. Elch. Elch. Yes, this is also very Christmassy, and I hope you liked it. The next one are is this one with a lot of glitter and some silver and a jumping deer. And then we have here this one with the word art and some candy charms hanging down. And then we have this one. Also, I like that one with the candy cane. Didn't forget it now. Some stars and glitter, and yes, also nice stuff hanging down there. Here we have some more deco with the glitter balls, and here's some leaves and a little bit of clustering. So yes, also nice. And the next one is with also leaves. We have some snowflakes and this cute sock, Nikolaus sock. Okay, then we have this one. It's also nice. I think I like candy canes in all different kind of colors, variations, but they are so typical for Christmas. Not really here in Germany, but I think in the US it's pretty Christmassy. I don't know, we have them here, but it's nothing typical. We say that is typical German. Yeah. Then we have here something, a little bit of hearts. This one can be used in also in non Christmassy pages. And then we have one with the snowman. Also here's some little bit of glitter here. And yes, this one I like. All here with a lot of blues, a blue heart and baubles and snowflakes and glitter. Well, glitter is the thing here. This is the preview of all. This is how it looks together, and I really enjoyed to work with them and created them. So I hope you enjoy this as well. Then we go to the next folder. We do have some papers as well in this little collection. And as you can see, we have here wood and cork and jeans and watercolor, and here is something wild mixed media styled and black with a little bit some glittery hearts on it. And we have here also colorful painted. This is painted with a brush I have created recently. And also we have some pattern papers. So for everyone is something in this pack, so you will not be disappointed. Black, I think it works perfectly with those colorful stuff, and you have those this kind of black background, and you're gonna love it. Also this one, this one is also pretty nice. Yes, here we go, a lot of different kind of styles. Also that one I like really with the black stars. So I like to create with that collection or pack something not really typical Christmassy, more extraordinary, let me say it this way. Yes. And here we have some seamless pattern papers. They are a little bit artistic, I would say, and also exposured overlays like this one. I like that one with the frame here around. And I think this is one of my favorite because of the blurry edges and then the texture and also the ornaments here going around. I really like it, and I think it will really look awesome with the rest of the arty bits and pieces, the colorful stuff and the black background. Then we have some more, a little bit of green and blue, red, and here we have some pinkish stars on a blue black background. So this is the pack with the exposure pattern papers, and this is it. A short video, yes, but not much products, 5 in all. You can get them with the documented your December at the lily pad. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up on my YouTube channel or on Facebook or wherever you see this video. Really appreciate it. Visit me on my different social media channels, which are linked in the describing box underneath this video. So we're gonna see us in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good time, and Merry Christmas. Bye.